Alright, today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem of this car. This is a Honda Accord, and we have a malfunction of power window switch. So when I say malfunction guys, okay, let's shut the door first and press down the switch. You can see, yeah, it works. And when I pull up the switch, nah. But sometimes, yeah, it works. Now that's what you call malfunction guys. So yeah, we're going to fix the problem of this car, and we're gonna remove the trim, and yeah, I'm gonna show you the circuit board of the main power window switch. So let's go. Now here's the good thing guys, we don't really need to remove the trim, just remove the main switch. Yeah, so we're gonna tear this apart and show you the circuit board. Alright, so you can see guys, this is the circuit board of the power window switch, and what I found is this contacting point here is definitely losing the contact to the circuit board. So what I did is I just twist this contacting arm a little bit, just to make sure that the contacting arm will definitely touch the circuit board of the power window switch. So I'm going to inspect the circuit board. We just want to make sure that the circuit board is perfectly fine and no sign of any damage before we do the assembling of the power window switch. And yeah, checking, inspecting, yeah, something like that. So the thing is, this circuit board is, I think, is pretty good. So what we're going to do is assemble the whole switch. Okay, so this is the moment of truth guys. We have to test the power window switch, and fingers crossed that this switch will work. Alright, so now that we put back things together, all we gotta do right now is to do the final test. Going up. Okay. Now it's going down. Okay. Now we have a perfectly working power window switch guys. I hope you enjoyed the video guys. I hope that you learned something new, and yeah. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe at my YouTube channel guys. Thank you very much.